Today, the Flyshark team brings you a solution for fashionable, ultra-thin, portable, Bluetooth keyboards. First, let's look at traditional keyboards. Traditional keyboards have small keys, which can cause users to type incorrectly and can be inconvenient to input by hand. Now, let's look at a Surface keyboard. Surface keyboards have thin keys with little response that can cause users strain after long-term use. The Flyshark has a deeper response and more comfortability to the touch. Other portable keyboards also have some disadvantages. For example, some keyboards do not comply with user keystroke habits, are too large, and often too heavy for portable use.
In this smart age, our design requirements for a Bluetooth keyboard are fashionable, light, thin, strong, and portable. Initially, our team had designed a myriad of solutions. We tested each solution one by one. Here are some samples we discovered during the research phase. Mold processing. We chose to go with a fold keyboard design. Due to this, figuring out how to implement the fold design was the most important part. Spindle is the key. Our team needed to design a strong, reliable, and realized solution to solve this key point. After hundreds of tests, our final decision was to contour machining integration of the aluminum in two sides of the keyboard and put the spindle above the main part. By connecting the metal spindle on both sides, the joint has become stronger and more precise. Plastic material is connecting the fold points. During the research phase, we tested more than 10 different materials over 1,000 times.
The Flyshark's outer casing's hinge is made from aerospace composite plastic, which is very strong and durable.
Look at this model. You will see we chose a metal material that is ultra thin and very strong. Among all the metal materials, we decided aluminum met our requirements to be lightweight, strong, easy to process, and have a nice appearance. We made the keyboard out of aluminum in order to take advantage of the properties aluminum has to offer. After you open it, you will notice the frame is very narrow, has full-size keys, and a traditional keyboard arrangement. We strongly believe this is the most fashionable and functional product on the market. We hope our product is what you are looking for.